Ayan, punta kami, mag-swimming kami ni Iman. Look at that. What is that?
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Yun. Ayan pala yan.
Yeah. Why na?
Nag-iisa pala yan. Sky Dancer Way na yan. Oh, lapit na kami. Nag-iisa pa lang pala niya rito yan, oh.
Turn left. Then, your destination will be on the right.
Oh, yan, oh. Dito na kami. Asan kaya yung reception dito? Hindi pa kaya yan? Casino and Resort, sabi niya yan. Ah, ito. Asan yung lodge? Oh.
I think the lounge is here too.
Ha?
Yeah.
Dito rin?
Saan yung ano?
Saan yung office?
Hotel. Office.
Tetralan Water Resort Park.
Doon siguro yung doon siguro sa Casino and Resort.
Ang kwan? Sige, let's go there.
Kaya,
Magsubli kami.
Tower.
Na kung kami. Ito ang towers. That's the
I think
one.
this one is the tower.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So it's Mitsubishi.
Yun ang lodge.
Yeah, the lodge is small one. Let's go to the tower.
Saan kaya si ano?
Saan ba sila? O yan, dito kami. Ayan, oh.
Your destination is on the right.
Yes, Sky Dancer Casino and Resort Suite. Nakarating din kami. Ayan, dito na ako sa loob. Mag-check-in ako. Casino pala ito. Ayan, oh. Sky Dancer Hotel and Resort. Yun, Supuriman. Papasok na kami dun sa aming nakawang room. Yes! Yun, dalawa kami ng aking prinsesa. Yo! Hi, princess. Nakita ko sila, nandun. Tingnan natin kung gagana. Mukhang mabango, di ba? Smell good. Maganda tong hotel na to, bago. Perfect. Yun, pumasok na si Supuriman. Wow. Fabulous. Ang ganda ng room nila, ah. Oh, yun, si Supuriman.
Well, we're gonna close us.
Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, pwede pa tayo magpark pala dun, eh. Oh.